Sandra, and today I wanted to show you what I got from What's Up. I actually ordered some stuff from What's Up. I haven't done one of these in a long time, so I figured I would actually show on camera what I ordered. And to be honest, I don't even remember what I ordered. It's been so long. You know, the mail here has been so slow. It's unbelievable. Okay, so let's see what I got. They had a sale, and that's why I did this. I ordered something. So I got a couple of plates. This is actually uber chic, but this is a snowflake plate. I thought that was really, really pretty. And this is actually going to be for giveaways. So I ordered some stuff. The plates that I ordered are going to be for giveaways. I ordered some nail polish. That's for me. So I thought this was really cute with all the different kinds of snowflakes on here. And let me, well, I won't open it since I'll be giving this away. So that's number one. If you're a snowflake freak like I am, you'll really appreciate that. And this one is CADs, and I thought this was really pretty too. I thought that was really cute. Some hearts here and heart here, and this looks like ornaments and some stars. I just thought this was really cute. Some more snowflakes. Very cute. So this is CAD's Christmas 046. And I'm sorry, this uber chic is Winter Wonderland. That's the name of this one. So those will be later giveaways. I also ordered some polish. I think I've told you guys. You know, I don't remember what I ordered. It's probably a white, but let's see what it is. I don't remember. I ordered some stuff from somewhere else too. Oh, from Maniology. So hopefully when I get that, I'll remember to put that online too. So I think I have told you guys that I am a white freak. I love white nail polish. Not regular white nail polish, but stuff with glitter or flakies or something else in it. Because the plain white is just, it drives me crazy. I don't like it. So this is from What's Up, and it's called First Dash. And look how pretty that is. It's got the it's got silver flakes in there, and it seems like it has like little black flakes in it. And it is so pretty. Another great white for me to dote on because I do love white polishes. So those are the things that I got from What's Up. And at the time they were having a sale. Don't know if that sale's still on. But I just thought that those plates were really cute. So anyway, I just wanted to do a video on what I got from What's Up. If you have not shopped there, they have great products. They carry all kinds of manufacturers' plates. The polish that I've gotten from them is always good. It's very opaque if you get stamping polish. I can't say anything bad about What's Up. Trustworthy company, and they have great products. So if you have not shopped there, please check them out. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.